What is DfMA? DfMA stands for Design for Manufacture and Assembly. With integrated process and prefabrication, DfMA in construction industry can lead to increase in productivity and efficiency. So, what are the challenges to implement DfMA?
DfMA seeks to standardize similar stages to increase the effectiveness of the production process. However, this might interfere with the creative process and leads to monotonous and rather basic designs.
From the financial point of view, we need to admit that the demand of DfMA projects is still relatively low. With high initial investment and lack of supporting organizations, DfMA might not be an appealing investment for companies. Moreover, initiator might need to bear with the losses in the trial and error process. Furthermore, DfMA might require additional resources than the conventional method, namely site for off-site production. Shared resources like tower crane and flatbed trucks might also be a challenge. Possible solutions can be introduced by various parties, for example, the government. Support from the government can be done by giving incentive, investment, research and development sponsorship, and also productivity regulation. Academias can conduct workshops and comprehensive training to introduce public to the benefit of DfMA. Additionally, the professionals such as engineers, designers, architects, and even the workmen can also help to implement DfMA. By doing just-in-time delivery, using mobile battery molds, and also involvement in the procurement process. Conventional construction procedures involve design engineers, contractors, and manufacturers who all operate individually without much interactions with other disciplines. The process can be described as an over-the-fence collaboration where design is passed back and forth and constantly revised. While conventional construction methodology allows for design revisions during the early stages in the on-site construction process, there is no room for revisions once the manufacturer has launched production in DfMA. Projects feel the pinch when related design revisions are unavoidable as it results in increased project costs, durations, and waste generations. By having collaborative design process with inputs from both contractors and manufacturers, will increase the assemblability and manufacturability of the projects.
As a relatively new method in the construction industry, the building regulations governing the use of DfMA is still rather premature. Taking PPBC as an example, it is regulations which involve a prolonged administrative process to get approval for a project. This might discourage companies from adopting DfMA as it ends up consuming more time. Undeniably, regulations are important to ensure the project is done with desirable quality, but long bureaucratic processes will hinder the adoption of DfMA, and the government has a responsibility in making this process accessible. Despite a desire to transition to DfMA at an executive level, employees need to be retrained to fully understand and enable the implementation of DfMA.
Operational processes and workflow needs to be revised as the steep overall learning curve may generate resistance from employees. Therefore, executive decisions to adopt DfMA need to be properly backed with an implementation plan.
The government also has a place in this as supporting retraining of employees and providing guidance for SMEs will further incentivize companies to take the step to transition to DfMA.